So I want you to see it all laid out. You have all-purpose flour, sugar, eggs, candied citron, dark raisins, golden raisins, soft unsalted butter, water, milk, vanilla extract, an orange, a lemon, salt, and Red Star active dry yeast. For the utensils, you're going to need a mixer with dough hook, small bowl for starter, a tablespoon, a whisk, a spatula, grater for the zest, Panetonne mold, plastic wrap, a round 6 or 8 inch by 2 inch baking pan to hold the mold depending on the size of the mold. Here are the ingredients with their amounts along with the utensils you'll need. Combine the 110-degree water and milk and then sprinkle a 1/4 ounce packet or packets of yeast over the top. Don't stir it, just let it sit for 5 minutes or until it gets foamy. Now add 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk it to a custard-type consistency. Cover in plastic wrap and let sit in a warm place until it's doubled in volume. Should take around 30 minutes. In the mixing bowl, add the eggs, sugar, vanilla, orange zest, and lemon zest. Whisk it all together. Then add the starter. It should be like cottage cheese. Whisk that all together. Next, add the flour, salt with the mixer on low. Scrape the sides of the bowl down. When it's fully incorporated, add the butter and then turn the mixer on medium for about 5 minutes. Turn it back down to low and add the fruit and raisins. Let it incorporate for about 10 seconds. You can crank it up to medium for a second or two if necessary. Have a bowl greased with vegetable oil on standby. Flour your surface. The dough will be sticky. Flour the top and knead for a minute or two until it is no longer super sticky. It'll be slightly sticky though. You don't want the dough to get tough. Put it in the oiled bowl, rub some vegetable oil over the top to protect from crusting, and cover it with saran. Let it rise in a warm place for 2, 3, or even 4 hours until it triples in size. Spray the inside of the panettone mold and place it into your 8-inch deep round pan. Flour the surface and dump out the dough. Dust the top with flour and gently pull the dough in half and then into quarters. That's as much as you want to work it. Then place it into the mold, which sits inside the round pan. Use a knife to score the top in an X shape and then spray the top or brush it with butter. Place the mold into a bowl. Cover it with saran wrap and a towel and let it rise again for another 2 to 3 hours or until it doubles or even triples. After around 3 hours, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Uncover the dough and carefully remove the dough from the bowl and place it into the 8-inch pan. If the dough collapses a little, that's okay. It'll rise in the oven. Brush the top with an egg wash of egg in milk or egg in a little bit of water. Place in oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until it passes the toothpick test. Hers went for about 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it and make sure it has a nice light golden brown look. Here's the ingredients and the preparation instructions as they appear on our website for a single panettone.